Hey Jammers, it's me Wolves here, and welcome back to my channel. I've taken some break on Animal Jam. I've actually been playing but not recording, so that's why today I have to talk about a serious issue that we have in our community of Animal Jam. Now, I know I've made some quirky videos in the past of my doing of Animal Jam, but I think it's time for me to tell you about the issue of when I basically was a scammer. Scamming is wrong, and I've learned that throughout my years. I've not scammed in like 3 years, and I think it's a good thing. The thing is, scamming is wrong. We should not scam. Scamming only shows our ignorance. It shows how desperate we are for rares that we're too lazy to work for them ourselves. So if you want to actually get good rares and do them yourself, then please do something right here. I know a lot of people don't really think much of rares, and all they do is think about, oh, I'm gonna get a black long today because I scammed my best friend that I've known ever since I started playing Animal Jam. People don't understand what the real typical deal is here. So I know people are just so stupid these days. Sorry, I said that because sometimes people go in here and they know that I'm a YouTuber, so. Anyways, guys, so please do be smart on your days of Animal Jam, because everybody needs to be smart here, okay? We all need to make right decisions, or else our life in Animal Jam will be put down. And I know a lot of people scam because they think it's fun, but it's not fun. Let me tell you, this is my other account that I had that I used for scamming, but I don't use it anymore, I swear. So I think it was like, I think it was this account here. This was probably my scamming account. Either it was that account, or it was... I don't know what it was. I'll try to find it, but I don't scam anymore, and it hurts me a lot when people say that I'm a scammer, because I've actually reformed. I'm not a scammer anymore, so please, if somebody says that I'm a scammer, I'm not a scammer anymore. I'm not, actually. I've worked for everything I've got. For example, I'll show you 5 things that I've actually worked for. Like, I've worked for... I'm trying to find something. This, my HD, and my blackout, and everything else in mine. So really, guys, I'm not a scammer, and I'm sorry for those who thought I was a scammer, because I was a scammer back then, but I'm not. I promise you, I'm not a scammer, okay? So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'm sorry for all the drama that's been going on in my channel. I promise it will get reformed, and I'm going to do a broadcast today, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!